Hi, my name is Alec from Mask Audio Electronics, and this is the Black Arts Toneworks BAT. So this was a really fun project for me. About a year ago, Mark from Black Arts Toneworks approached me about working on a rat. He's always been asked, hey, when are you gonna do a rat? And approached me about doing some circuit board design for it, and it actually ended up being a lot more collaborative than I would have thought. I initially made a 9-knob, 4-switch version of this for him to whittle down features, and as you can see, he didn't whittle it down very much. This is really a tone workshop of everything you could possibly do with the rat circuit. I'm really proud of what we did with it, that it still has so many controls, but still feels distinctly Black Arts Toneworks. Very heavy, very loud, but still very clear. Possibly my favorite piece of feedback I've ever gotten from a PCB client is, hey, can we add a pentagram to this? So the BAT has a small galaxy of knobs, so let's travel through them all in order. First, we have the pre-knob. That is the first thing in line with the circuit, and it is a MOSFET boost driving everything that comes after it. After that, we have the post control, which is the drive control for your normal rat. Between the pre and post knobs, you have the high drive and the low drive. This is a Mad Amp flavored Bandaxol EQ that is before the rat portion to give you a little bit of a different flavoring. You could use the low drive to tighten things up, or you could get rid of some of the excessive high end with the high drive. Next, you have the treble and bass controls. The treble control is your normal rat tone control, just rolling some high end after all the distortion. The bass control, however, completely different beast. It is an active tone control after all the gain, after everything, just boosting at 100 Hertz, giving you back that low fundamental. This is especially helpful on bass, which we'll cover later. cover a volume control? Do people know what a volume control does?
I don't. I don't know. What is a volume?
It makes it more loud.
Okay, I think we're good.
And then along the top here, we have a trio of toggle switches that all are overall modifiers. The number toggle switch here is the input bass running into the whole pedal before the pre-control. Number 3 is the most amount of bass, 2 is less bass, 1 is kind of your stock rat sound. All the way on the left, we have the clipping control. This controls what hard clipping diodes are engaged within the circuit. This entire time, we've had the silicon diodes engaged. A little bit higher gain sound, but a little bit smoother. Let's turn on the LED diodes to get a bit more of a cleaner, ragged sound. Notice when you engage the LED mode, there will be quite a volume jump. Be prepared for this. Next, we have the high cut toggle. This is taking out some high end right before the op amp stage. This is a bit more useful on bass guitar, however, we'll show it off here first on regular guitar. So now we're going to switch over to where I think the Bat truly excels, on the bass. You can check out the bat from Black Arts Toneworks at blackartstoneworks.com, or you can check out more from us at Mask Audio Electronics at maskaudioelectronics.com. We make fuzzes. That's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one.